Hey, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrell,
Dana,
and we are back with another video for you guys, man. We're gonna be reacting to that boy Prettyboyfredo. We're gonna be reacting to his golden play button vlog, man. He got his golden play button for getting 1 million subscribers. So we're gonna check out how you feel about this plat that YouTube sent them. So let's check it out, guys.
it's like Christmas morning.
Hey,
That looks so nice.
That does look nice. I can't even
Yeah.
talk. Hey.
Oh, that's
Wait,
so cute.
I forgot what he named his dog.
It looks like a rock though.
Man, I forgot what he named his dog. I forgot. I know it is, but I can't think of it.
That dog is so cute.
Subscribers. 1 million subscribers, babe. 1 million.
Look at the nose, even excited.
It is finally here, man. My 1 million subscribers gold play button. Oh my God. Just look at it.
I like it. It looks nice. It really does.
Look at this shit, bro. I've worked my ass day and motherfucking night to earn this shit, bro. And to finally have it in my presence, dog, is just an amazing feeling. I just want to thank each and every one of my subscribers. Thank you, bro. Thank you, man, because a year ago, bro, today, I didn't even have 100K subs, and we're creeping up on that motherfucking 2 mil!
Hey.
2 million subscriber count is coming, bro.
Yeah, I think he had like 1.8 right now. Yeah, he's at like 1.8 right now.
Well, got it.
Yeah.
Congratulations, Prettyboyfredo, surpassing 1 million subscribers, dog. YouTube has changed my life, guys. Has literally changed my fucking life.
I didn't get to see what that small one was.
It must have been the one before it.
Maybe so, yeah.
At the point and position that I'm at today. You know what I'm saying? Through it all, bro. Through all the motherfucking grinding, through the long nights, through the tears, through the pain, through the struggle, bro. I stood tall, dog. I stood 10 motherfucking toes down and I ran it up, bro. When a nigga hated on me, what did I do, bro? What did I do, bro? I ran up the motherfucking numbers, y'all. Listen to me, bro. Don't let another motherfucking nigga bring you down, bro. Don't let motherfucking haters bring you down, bro. Let that motherfucking success talk. Let it talk, bro. That 2 mil is coming. Let these motherfucking pints ring.
That's a lot of motherfucking.
Let the money fucking ring up on these niggas, bro.
Boy, Fredo said he hype.
Yeah.
Fucking blessing to be where I'm at.
That must be his favorite cuss word.
Thankful, and this plat means a lot, bro. It means a lot, bro. And all my fucking memories, all my YouTube, I will never forget this shit. I'll never forget this YouTube journey. I will never forget this YouTube grind, and I will never stop. And I will never fucking stop grinding, man, because I was made for this shit. God has a motherfucking plan. You can't stop God's plan, man.
No.
This journey has just been absolutely amazing, guys. It's been an amazing journey. And you know what I'm saying? Like,
Let's see what
most people get
that was
satisfied. Most people
He
get
ain't worried about it.
bro. You know what I'm saying? I'm never comfortable. Never. Never. I'm always on that grind. I'm always, each and every day I wake up, I say I need to be better, bro. I need to be better than I was yesterday. You know what I'm saying? This 1 million plat, that's just one milestone, my nigga. One. That's just one milestone. I'm bringing to that bitch. I'm on to the next. Only you can determine your success. Never let another motherfucking nigga tell you what you can and how the fuck you gonna tell me what the fuck I can and cannot do, man? Come on, man. There was a point in my life where I didn't even believe in myself. For real, I didn't even believe in myself. My subscribers, y'all niggas, y'all are the ones that have pushed me and motivated me to get to this level. So I can all the things to you guys and to the man above. Thank you guys. I'm so hyped. I'm so turned. Y'all always, this is just me, bro. It's me, man. It's blessings, bro. I never switched up, bro. Never switched up for no lames, no fakes, none of that shit. I stayed true to my motherfucking self. And that's the biggest blessing of them all. If you can be yourself, your motherfucking self, you don't have to change for, no, don't change for nobody. If you don't like me, then fuck you. Point blank, period, nigga. I'm gonna be good. I'm gonna be
Yeah, tell him, Fredo.
Never letting the money get to my head. Never letting YouTube fame get to my head. None of that shit, that shit mean nothing to me, bro.
Right, yeah.
It means nothing. Each and every day, I work harder. I strive harder to get better, man. I put so much fucking time and effort into these videos, bro. Take me about 12 hours to do one video. Just to make shit perfect, my nigga. Perfect for my niggas. I just want to thank you guys.
12 hours.
Supporting your boy.
Yeah, that's all that editing. Like,
that's dedication.
Yeah. Excuse me. Oh yeah.
For real. So this means everything to me.
Let's see if you want to show the other plate. That's that 1 mil.
To me to have this name on this plaque, certified with my motherfucking, you know what I'm saying, the YouTube page. You're bigger than Vancouver. You're bigger than Venice. Goddamn, a nigga, 1 million subscribers can't even fucking read. You're even bigger than Las Vegas. 1 million subscribers, maybe blah, blah, blah. Y'all get the motherfucking point, man. I wanted to leave you guys with something very special before I wrapped up this video. Now, we are approaching 2 mil very soon, and I have something very special. Now, people have been begging me for that motherfucking merchandise. Oh, yeah. So we're going to do a little competition, y'all. I want you guys to tweet me your best designs. It could be anything. It could be SSH. It could be Pretty Boy. It could be whatever the fuck you want it to be. Hats, shirts, pants. It doesn't matter what the fuck it is. Tweet me your best designs at Prettyboyfredo as a subscriber motherfucking special for the 2 mil. Goddamn, my arm getting tired. Shit. I'm getting tired, nigga. Fuck. As a subscriber special for the 2 mil, I will use the best designs as one of the lines that I produce for you guys for merchandise. If you need any more information on what the fuck I just said, look at the description below.
Oh my god.
Let's just admire one last time. Let's just admire one last time. Come on, dog. This is amazing, bro.
That boy is nice though. It's
really
nice.
shiny.
I be shot with that bit right there. As soon as I walk in the house, that's what I see. That's what I want to see.
Don't cry. Don't stop. Don't fucking stop.
That dude Prettyboyfredo stay turned though. This dude stay turned though.
He does. Every video I see of him.
Oh yeah.
Full of energy.
Yeah, all he do.
I love you guys. SSH.
And it cusses a lot.
We on top. 10 mil on the way, my nigga. 10 mil on the way. Let's get it, my dad.
I thought that I was gonna jump on him.
Alright guys, we're gonna end the video right there, man. That was that boy Prettyboyfredo, the golden play button reaction right there. Like, man, that dude, I ain't like, the man deserve it though. The man been grinding since day one, and like, that just, like, me as a person, and I'm pretty sure the same way as you, just watching like other bigger names, and just how we started our YouTube, like we just now started our YouTube channel, that just drives me more. That's like, you know, I always talk about YouTube every time with you.
All the time, you guys.
So like that, like just seeing bigger YouTubes that I really enjoy watching, that just really like drives me even more to say like, hey man, I can do the same thing he's doing.
I can see the light in his eyes when he talks about YouTube.
Alright guys, we're gonna end it right there, man. If y'all was new to the channel, man, hope y'all enjoyed the video, man. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Team D Movement, we out.
Yes.